AgTech Tech Tip Excel Export.
And so one here, I just isolated by phase, right? So let's bring up my image selection window, right? Right here, there it is. And I'll turn on my site plan real quick, right? So having that stuff named makes it nice and easy for me. And so a lot of times we are going to have phases, right? So rather than go in and assign each individual pad, we can just, use our phases here within the program. It's as easy as just clicking and dragging a line around the phase you want to assign that data to, right? And then I can isolate the data. So when we export it out, if I just want the data for phase 3, right, and we've got the export to Excel option. So let's save it. Already got it, but we're going to send this out, right? So we can export this data out. It'll open up in Excel.
As you're opening that was a big change too, right? Being able to create your own reports, turning any column on and off, being able to create those databases, right?
Exactly.
Database exports. Those are big changes that are gonna help you create consistent reports every single time, or HCSS reports if that's what you're trying to do, right?
Right. We've got, the ability to work with, HCSS or different programs now where we can export out. If I just want to export out the database, right, that'll, excuse me, again, open up in Excel, and I'll drag it over here in a second once it pops up. But basically, that's just going to put everything on one line. So depending on what I had checked, what I was showing, it'll put it on one line, make it nice and easy to import into your bidding software. So we've got that integration now with our different bidding softwares, right? HCSS amongst others, but there's a lot of them out there. So, and they're all pretty much the same, those glorified Excel spreadsheets.